Today, we will learn about diversity in living things and their classification. Diversity in plants. Various types of plants are found in many places around us. Some plants like grass are short, while others are tall and have a canopy. Some plants grow underwater while some other float on water. We find that some plants grow even in deserts. Moreover, we find that there is a lot of variety in the same type of plants. For example, there are different varieties of rice or wheat, different types of roses, and mangoes of different flavors. Some plants grow even without stems, leaves, or roots. These are very different from ordinary plants. Now we know the plants that you have seen are all not alike. Plants make their own food in sunlight. Such plants are called autotrophic plants. For example, the hibiscus, pomegranate, periwinkle, etc. Some plants like funguses, loranthus, dodar use other plants for food and are said to be heterotrophic. Plants like the pitcher plant even consume insects. They are insectivorous. The structure of a plant. Plant structure can generally be divided into two parts: the stem, which grow above the ground, and the root, which grow below the ground surface. The root, stem, and leaves are the main parts of plants. From time to time, plants bear flowers for reproduction. Flowers are transformed into fruits. Fruits have seeds. Seeds give rise to new plants. The flower. This is the most attractive part of a plant. It is connected to the stem by a stalk, which may be long or short. A flower has a typical color and shape. The flower is an important means of reproduction. The fruit. Fruits have different shapes. Fruit contain one or more seeds. The pods of beans and peas are actually fruits. The leaf. The leaf is flat. It plays an important role in the production of food. Leaves are mainly of two types: simple and compound leaves. The stem. The height, shape, and size of a plant depend upon the stem. The stem carries out the function of production, conduction, and storage of food. In some plants, it has the function of reproduction. It gives support to the other parts of the plant. The root. Roots hold the soil firmly and anchor the plant. The main function of the root are to absorb and transport water and nutrients from the soil. The roots of the carrot and radish also store food. There are two types of roots: taproots and fibrous root.